The dark web is a part of the internet that is intentionally hidden and not indexed by traditional search engines like Google or Bing. This is the part of the internet that we use every day. Websites you can search on Google or Bing, news sites, social media, online shopping, that's all surface web. But it's just 5 to 10 percentage of the entire internet. Now comes the deep web. It's everything hidden behind logins or paywalls. Your emails, online banking, private cloud storage. You're not indexed by search engines, but they are 100% legal and secure. Finally, the dark web. A secret part of the deep web. You need special software like the Tor browser to access it. Here, users stay anonymous, which can be both good and bad. Whistleblowers and journalists use it for safety, but it's also home to illegal activity, black market, stolen data, and more. The internet is much deeper than it looks. Knowing what lies beneath helps you stay safe and smart online.